I like that they're playing in the booth. The 1940s stuff. World War II.
What's up, clowns? Diecast Clown coming back at you with another video. Today I'm just gonna share with you guys a little bit of the air show that my son participated in and a car show that I went to. Actually, a friend of mine entered his Grand National and he brought home People's Choice in that car show yesterday. So at that car show there was a little kid, couple cars over, with his parents. He set up a table and had some Hot Wheels for sale. Had to go support the little entrepreneur, but I walked over. He said he would do 6 for $5. I said okay. He said give me 6 cars. So this is what he gave me. First, Ferrari. Very nice. Actually gave me 2 Ferraris. I'll show you the next one here in a second. He knew all his cars. I actually redid one of these for Big Dad Pacino years ago. This one's probably just about the same. Well, no, I think his was in a little worse shape. I actually have one of my own now. He also gave me a Nissan 300ZX in orange. This was in a 5-pack a couple years ago, but happy to actually have this loose because this is one of my favorite cars, and I couldn't bring myself to break that 5-pack open because I only had the one, and I was happy to find this loose and happy that he gave it to me. Up next, he gave me a Hot Wheels 1964 Ford. Actually, when I first saw it, he gave it to me, I thought it was a Johnny Lightning because it was just so narrow, but turns out this panel van is indeed a Hot Wheels. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Logo. Let's see. I had it right the first time, didn't I? Yeah, right there. Right by my thumb. At any rate, beautiful. And then up next, I believe another one from 5-pack, 1970 Chevelle. I think this was out of one of the Fast and Furious 5-packs. They had several of these. And then last but not least, a Johnny Lightning Lone Camaro, number 41 in a meatball. Very nicely detailed. It's about a 74 or 75, I would say. It may or may not be listed here on the bottom, but let's see. I know I won't be able to read that. You guys might, I don't know. But yeah, very happy. I was very proud of the little guy. But that's it. Enjoy the cars. Peace out, clowns.